In this video, we will talk about how to fix flickering screen in Windows 11. Method 1. Basic steps. First, ensure the monitor cable is securely connected. If it isn't, try using a different cable to rule out any hardware issues. After this, adjust the refresh rate. Right-click on Desktop. Select Display Settings. Scroll down, select Advanced Display. Set the screen refresh rate to a stable value that your monitor supports. Method 2. Graphic driver. On your keyboard, press and hold Windows icon key, Control key, then Shift key and press B. This will reset the graphics driver. Method 3. Compatible driver. Right-click on Window icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. From here, select Compatible Drivers and click on Next. So that's how you can fix flickering screen in Windows 11. See you in the next video.